Hello everybody, welcome to day 2 of our RARP for this week. This week we are reading a book called Curious Cats, all about cats. Before we start reading today, let's have a look at our steps to success again. So, the first step, I can use stretchy snake, where we stretch the sounds, and lips the fish, where I look at the first sound. So that's our first step. Our next step is I can read or I can listen to the story 3 times. So when we've listened to the story once, we need to rewind the video and listen to it 3 times. The next step, I can find the answers in the text. When we do our Kahoot quizzes, and there are lots of questions, we find the answers by looking back through the book. We can look at the pictures, we can look at the words. These are all things that are going to help us. Next step, answer the question. I can answer the question. So today we're going to be using stretchy snake and lips the fish to have a look at our new words. So, stretchy snake, my turn, your turn. I will go first, you will copy. Food. Your turn. Food. Let's do it together. Food. Can you put it together? Food. Food. Remember, the double O makes a oo sound, like moon, okay? Here is the cat eating the cat food. Okay, lips the fish. We're going to look at the first sound. So, I'm going to put these two together. Cool. Can you make that sound? Cool. My turn. Climb. Your turn. Climb. The cat is climbing the tree. The man is climbing up the mountain. Climb. The first sound is cool. Okay, stretchy snake again. My turn, your turn. Sleep. I'm going to do it again. Listen very carefully. Sleep. Your turn. Let's do it together. Sleep. Can you put it together? Sleep. Sleep. Here is the cat having a nice sleep. Remember, when there's a double E, it makes an E sound. So, let's read our book. We're going to start at page 12 today because we read to page 10 yesterday, and we're going to read to the end. Okay. So I'm on page 12. A cat needs food every day. They need food to eat. They need to eat meat to stay healthy. Remember, we've got the long E sound here in need. Cats go to an animal doctor. He is called a vet. A cat has pointy ears. They help it hear sounds far away. Cats have claws. They use their claws to climb. A cat makes a sound called a purr. This means it is happy. Cats sleep a lot. They often sleep for 16 hours. Okay, so there's some more facts about our cats. I want you to go back and listen to what I just said, listen to the rest of the story, or you can access this PowerPoint. I will send this to mummies and daddies and you can read through the book yourself. So it's up to you, but you need to listen to it 2 more times. Okay? When you have done that, it's then time for your sentence scramble. Okay, yesterday we had one. We're going to do another one today. So, a sentence from the book has been scrambled up. Has pointy a cat ears. Does that make sense? No, it's in the wrong order. So what I want you to do is try and put this sentence into the correct order. Try and get it to make sense. It is a sentence from the book, so you can go back and look through the book if you want to try and find it. Remember our 3 important things. We need capital letters at the start of the sentence, so that might give you a clue. Which of the word has a capital letter? We need finger spaces in between every word, and we also need full stop. And remember where the full stop goes? The full stop goes at the end of a sentence. So again, this might give you a bit of a clue which word will go at the end of the sentence. When you've done that, it's time for your Kahoot quiz. Yesterday, I forgot to send the link to the Kahoot quiz, so you weren't able to do it. But don't worry, I will attach the link on your dojo today, so you can go and have a go. Okay, remember, any questions, don't hesitate to speak to me on dojo and I can give you the answer. Okay, have fun, guys, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.